So boys, what are we doing today?
We're racing our trucks.
What trucks?
Our RC trucks.
Oh, these RC trucks.
Yeah, show my truck too.
Oh, these RC trucks. So today you find me again here in Reno, Nevada, and it's family day. So I am at a business called Traction Hobbies, and my son and his friend are going to race their RC trucks on this track. So for those of you that don't know much about RC racing, a little tour here. Everybody stands up right over there on that little platform, and they race their trucks on this track. So a little bit of family fun that we're going to partake in today.
30.6.
Okay, so the boys didn't get to race after all. They didn't have enough trucks, so they ended up just racing each other and getting their money's worth that way. 5 hours worth. So it's about 11 o'clock at night right now, and I'm heading down to our local gym down here to finish up my training. Don't have too much to do, luckily. Today's Sunday. I worked out, let's see, I trained on, I think it wasn't yesterday. Yeah, I took yesterday off. So it would have been Friday that I trained, and had a phenomenal workout. That jobber with my teardrop, it didn't bug me at all during the workout. And today, I just tested out my my squat at home in my home gym. I got the first set done, and it's there, but it's not enough to stop me. So we're going to give it a go. And if it was bothering me, I wouldn't have even attempted it. I wouldn't have even came down here. So I'm going to go ahead and get in here and get this done, and then head home. I don't know about you guys, this time change got me all screwed up. So yeah, 1 o'clock in the morning, just got done with the session. As you could probably tell, it was predominantly lower half, mostly because of that little digger that I had earlier this week, and so I didn't get a lot of it done, but got it all done tonight. I did have some upper body accessory work, seal rows. In that, on the lower half stuff, that little injury there, I could feel it, but it wasn't enough to really, stop me. And as you could see, I got a good AMRAP set. Didn't really feel it during the set. I feel it just a teensy bit now, but I think all is cool. I think all is going to be just fine. So next week, send in the report to Ryan over at NPS, and we start a new week. So really, this was a good day. This was a really good day. Started the day with church with the man, then we went over to Reno and played with the RC cars. Got some great news. A client in Australia won his show, won his class, and the real icing on the cake was he's a natty, and he beat IFBB guys, and that was kind of. I'm a pretty emotional dude, and so it kind of brought a little bit of tearful joy to me. And yeah, got the boys' homework done, got the training done. Long day, 1 o'clock in the morning, but a really, really good day. And just for the record, I guess this is Sunday, and I'm no longer working weekends at the Trauma Center. Did that gig for 3 years, and really feels good to not be doing that anymore. So until next time, I hope you guys are liking this. I'm enjoying doing it. And yeah, I'll leave it there.